gentlemen, welcome to Monday. Okay, today we're going to start by doing something a little different today. We're going to move past our adding and subtracting fractions. We're going to start moving into getting into multiplication with fractions. We are going to be doing GoMath Chapter 7, Lesson 7.1 today. And we are going to take a look at our first question. Max's stamp collection has stamps from different countries. He has 12 stamps from Canada. Of those 12, 2/3 of them have pictures of Queen Elizabeth II. How many stamps have the Queen on them? Okay, so we are asked for how many stamps have Queen Elizabeth. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by drawing an array. I hope we remember how to do an array. An array is where we take our whole number and we're going to organize it with x's. So I'm going to make 12 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is an array. Now, we're going to take our array and using our denominator, we are going to break it into that many groups. Our denominator is 3, so we're going to make 3 even groups from that array. So I'm going to go, okay, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Now that I've taken my array and I've made it into 3 equal groups, I'm going to look at only 2 of those groups. So I want to know how many are in this group, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to be our answer. That is 2, 1, 2, 3, 2/3. So 2/3 of 12 equals 8. All right. So now, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to do one more example with you. 4/5 of 20. Now remember what we talked about before. We need to make an array. The array is going to be of 20. And I know that I want to make 5 groups of it. So I can think ahead and try to figure out 20 divided by 5. That could tell me my groups, but let's just do the groups. Let's see. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now remember, when you make your arrays, you need to make them into equal groups. So now I've got 5 equal groups. Let's go. 1 group, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Each group has 4 in it. And if you remember, that's the same as division. So now I go back to my enumerator and I only want 4 of those groups. So I want these 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is, you got it, 16. So 4/5 of 20 is 16. Excellent, excellent job. Have a great, I want you to do the next problem. And when you're done with that problem, come back and check with me and see how it went. All right, go. I'm going to take a look at our next problem, which is going to be 7/8 of 16. Again, we're asked to make 16. We're going to make an array of 16. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now, let's see, can I do that? We need to make 8 groups. All right, so I need to make 8 even groups out of this. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I now have 8 even groups. There's 2 in each group. So I'm going to take my 1, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups. There's 8 equal groups of 2 in this array. How many groups do I want? I go back to my numerator, and our numerator tells us to only use 7 of them. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job. Now I'm going to count those. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 7/8 of 16 equals 14. Excellent job. Now I want you to try 2/3 of 18 right now on your own. Remember to make the array. You're going to start your array off with 18 X's. Do it now and then come back to me. Okay, I need to take my 18. I know I need to make it into 3 groups. So I need to think in my head, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I only want 2/3 of that group, but I'm going to circle them into groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. I only want 2 of those groups. So that's 6, 6, 6. I only want 2 of those groups, which gives me 12. So 2/3 of 18 equals 12. That's what we're going to be doing today, boys and girls. Now I want you to go finish up the problems. Then when you're done with the problems and you finish them all, check out the other video and go over it and see how you did. All right? Have a great Monday. I miss you all.